One of the dismal realities is that many backlinks no longer work when it comes to SEO. Nowadays, you can't just send a bunch of backlinks in the hopes that your website will rank higher. But there is still hope. Now, while many different types of backlinks no longer really give you the search engine ranking that you need, there are still some great backlinking strategies well worth your time. The goal is to create high quality content backlinks. How do you do this? Well, one way is by using PDF files or content. That's right. You can use PDF files to get high authority backlinks, but you can actually do a lot more than that. And don't worry, the specific strategy is not black hat at all. It is completely white hat, so it does take a couple of hours to implement, but it's safe and long term. Now, implementing this strategy will not only get you the backlinks you need, but any prospect that reads your PDF file will be pre-sold in advance to help better convert whatever products and services that you are trying to sell. You can finally learn how to boost your SEO rank and generate targeted traffic using this PDF backlinking strategy starting today. This 9-part video course is designed to show you how you can quickly and easily get high authority backlinks that the search engines absolutely love. Here's a quick video's overview of what you will learn in this video course. Number 1 is the introduction, and we'll talk about tools. Video number 2 is about your attack plan. We're going to talk about different attack plans, and you want to pick and choose the one that works for you, and then you'll have a clear path on what exactly you want to do. Video number 3 is to create content. Video number 4 is spicing it up, and video number 5 is types of hyperlinks. Number 6, we're going to talk about things you'll need to gather in order to get started. Number 7, we'll talk about basic PDF conversion. And video number 8, we'll talk about hotspot hyperlinks. In other words, how can you hyperlink images such as infographics and specific elements within an image. And video number 9, how you can upload and generate the backlinks to boost your search engine ranking. And you'll learn to start getting high quality PDF backlinks from high authority sites to boost your SEO ranking. So go ahead and grab this video course today.